What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold, this weekend, right? Because today's Monday, so we sold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. My name is Larry. We're a full-time reseller since 1997 on eBay. We sell a variety of things. We sell autographs, we sell media, we sell video games, we sell snapback hats, t-shirts, all kinds of cool stuff. Anything we can make a buck on, we sell it. And what we do is we show you what we sell. We're not some of those people that are just like, oh, we're going to make $100 on this. No, we're going to show you that we made $100 on this. So everything I sell, take a look at. Maybe you're not selling it. And if you can get an idea and think, hey, I'm going to sell that, hopefully I can help you out a little bit. We're going to have some fun. Let's see what we sold today. Oreo Speedwagon. Hey, it's right here. Oreo Speedwagon, wheels are turning. We bought this for 50 cents at Peddler's Junction and we sold it for $12.99 and it was used. A Walk to Remember DVD. There it is. Or no, Walk Among the Tombstones. Brand new. We paid $1 for it at the pawn shop. We sold it for $9.99. Train to Busan. We had 3 of these things and we sold all 3 of them in one day. So I was at Big Lots the other day, and they still had these for like $3. So I bought 3 more right there, and just added 3 more to the quantity. And like I said, I got $14.99 for this one. Sold 3 of them in one day at $14.99 a piece. So after fees and everything, I'm making about $7 or $8 a piece on it. We sold a hat, and I think it's that one right there. You love it when they're right there on top and are easy to find. You've seen me dig through these things before. They're not always so easy. This was a brand new Union Pacific hat, conductor hat, and we sold it for $24.99. We paid $2 for it at the thrift store. You know, when I go to this box, it means I sold an oversized photo. You guys just get to sit there and look at my ugly mug right there. Now I'm getting angry. All right, I think I found where I need to be. Which photo was it? Yeah, I think it was this photo right here. This is a Fiesta Bowl photo, Major Harris. 11 by 14, we took a best offer of $25.99 for it. We got this signed when Major came in and did a signing for us when we did our movie. This is a movie poster of a movie that we never filmed. Actually, we filmed some of it, but it actually got put into the Bung Fodders Make a Horror Movie. So this is a movie poster of a movie that's in a movie. So that's kind of funny. Pulled a Short Circuit on the DVD, and it was new. Let's see, this one I just saw. We bought this at the pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $9.99. Day the Earth Stood Still. There it is. This is the original from, I think, 1953. Because they did a remake with Keanu Reeves. But this was new. We paid $1 for it at the pawn shop. Sold it for $8.99. Lazy Town. I remember my daughter used to watch that when she was a kid. Lazy Town show. Say JK. I don't see anything under Lazy Town there. These are out of alphabetical order because there's a K. Here's some K's. In with the L's. J. And there we go. We picked this up at the Dollar Tree for $1. We sold it for $9.99. We sold a photo of Jamie Kennedy. I love Jamie Kennedy. I think he's hilarious. But yeah, look at all these Jamie Kennedys I have. There's one from, oh, what was that movie? I don't know. I like this one too. But we got this, we sold this one from The Mask. We paid $5 for it, and we sold it for $18.88. People versus George Lucas. There it is. This is one of those ones we picked up at the Dollar Tree. It's sealed. We sold it for $7.99. Sold a NASCAR shirt. And it wasn't that real nice Earnhardt either. It was a Kyle Petty. Can't remember what it looks like now. This might be it. Yeah, I think that is it. Let me check real quick just to make sure there's not a Kyle Petty in here floating around. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think that is it. Because it was a red shirt. Sold this Kyle Petty. We paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store. And we sold it for 35 bucks. I'm telling you, some of these old NASCAR shirts do really well. We sold a VHS. Where did I put my VHSs? Nope. Nope. Yep. Maybe. Ah, there we go. Sold this sealed copy. This is a VHS copy. We bought this at the thrift store the other day for $1. And we sold it for 18 bucks. We sold a Blu-ray. Something about two rode together or something. What was it called? Could have sworn I just put it away and I thought I knew the name of it. Yeah, there it is. Two rode together. This is, anytime you see this Twilight Time, look it up, because these are very limited releases. They're usually like out of print movies that they just re-release for a very short time and they sell out. And then when they sell out, they become out of print and people pay big money for them. This one sold for 65 bucks. I looked at the comps. A new one sold for 50. And a like new one sold for like $39.99 last month. And there was no listings. So I thought, you know, I'm going to try to shoot for the stars. And I have a used copy here. And I got 65 bucks for it. So don't always go by the comps. You know, sometimes you can get more money. Because comps isn't, it's not the Bible. You know, you don't have to go by the book. You can use your own judgment. If you think you can get more money for it, list it higher, because you can always come down. You can't go back up. So try to shoot for the stars once in a while. I paid $2 for this, by the way. Sold a Nicholas Sparks 4-pack. I'm trying to remember if I put it under the first movie or what. Is this it? Nope, that's not it. That would be too easy, guys. Way too easy. That's not it. Sports movies. I need to stop selling these 4-pack movies because I always forget where I classify them as. Let me check Nicholas Sparks, because it was all his movies. I don't know. Let me try to find this movie. Here we go. Finally found it. We paid $1 for this at the pawn shop. Sold it for $9.99. We sold a movie called The Firm. Firm's a great movie if you haven't seen it yet. It's got Tom Cruise. This one's sealed. Came from the pawn shop. Paid $1 for it. We sold it for $8.99. We sold a 2-pack of a thing called Baby's First. Ah, here we go. That was easy. Baby's First Vocabulary, Baby's First Color Crew. We paid $1 a piece for these at the pawn shop. We sold them for $19.99 as a lot. Sold a Nora Jones DVD. It was sealed. We paid $2 for this at Peddler's Junction. And we sold it for $8.99. We thought we bought like 10 of them, and all the other ones did really, really well. And this was one I didn't scan. and I just made a few bucks on it. But the other ones I was selling for like 25, 30 bucks, so I more than made up for it. I paid $1/4 for this the other day. It was sealed, and I sold it for $7.99 today. It only took a couple days to sell. Sealed tape sell pretty good. No idea where this is. Something called Paul Coleman. I don't know if you guys ever watched my channel much, but this used to be full completely, both sides, and now it's not even full on one side. So CDs sell very well. I need to find some more, CDs that are, worth selling on eBay. Sold this here, Paul Coleman Trio Live. This just looked like a cool CD that I've never seen before, and usually live ones sell pretty good. And we paid 50 cents for this at Peddler's Junction. We sold it for $13.99 used. Sold a movie called Countdown something. I don't even remember having this movie. Let's see. See anything that says Countdown? There we go. It was used. I'd never seen this movie around before. Countdown to Esmeralda Bay. Like I said, it was full moon. I paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. We sold it for $12.99. Let's see how hard this is going to be to find. I sold a Garfield book, and I have no idea where I put it. None at all. I'm guessing I put it over here somewhere. I just listed that guy. This guy goes for like $80, $90. I remember listing that book the other day, but I don't remember where I put it. I don't normally list books, but I thought it was a cool Garfield book, and I thought, I'll try to list this. Now I have some of my signed books in there. It wouldn't be that easy. It's not in there. I seriously don't know where it is. Let me try to find it. After further review, this call stands. Hey, we found it. Garfield 3-pack book. We put it in the thing where we put books. We had some other books in there too. Forgot all about it. Had no freaking clue where I put this stuff. That's why you need an inventory system. Then you don't have to look for stuff. Anyway, I bought this at the not pawn shop, but thrift store for 50 cents. And we sold it for $13.99. Figured that was a good flip. 3DS game we sold. Whoops. Now I'm all flustered. We bought 2 of these at the pawn shop the other day for $1 a piece. We sold this one for $10.99, and we sold the other one like 2 or 3 days ago. So this didn't last long. We bought this. I'm trying to get some glare off for you. We bought this CD at the Peddler's Junction for 50 cents. And we sold it for $13.99 used. All right, guys, that's everything we sold this weekend. I think it was like 22, 23 items. Not a whole lot of big money stuff, but hey, I'm happy. Makes me money. If I can make, $500 a weekend and then make, $300 to $500 during the week, I'm happy. That's $1,000 a week. That's $500 profit. Plus, like I said, I have a physical store too that I make money at, so I don't have to rely all on eBay. But that's what we sold. Hopefully you guys had a good time. Please like, subscribe. If you do subscribe, please hit all. That way you get to see all my videos. And make sure you join. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Peace.